2 plus 2 plus 6 plus 8 times 0 equals what? Multiplication is first. Remember order of operations. The only multiplication is 8 times 0. 8 times 0 is 0, and then it's 2 plus 2 plus 6 plus 0. And your answer is 10. A lot of people are getting this one wrong and giving an answer of 0 because they're just blindly solving left to right. What they don't realize is that you need parentheses in order to get 0. You'd have to have parentheses around 2 plus 2 plus 6 plus 8, and then add that all together, and then multiply it by 0 to get 0. Remember, PEMDAS, BODMAS, BEDMAS, or BIDMAS. Those are just acronyms. They all stand for the same 4 steps of the order of operations. With PEMDAS, it would be parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division left to right. Multiplication and division have equal precedence. And then you have addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction could be solved in any order. It doesn't matter. So it's only 4 steps. You have number 1 is parentheses. Number 2 is exponents. Number 3 would be multiplication and division left to right. And number 4 is addition and subtraction. So there you have it. The answer to this problem is 10 without parentheses.